We're going to have a look at how to record a macro in Excel, which allows us to speed up a task. To do this, I'm going to go to a new spreadsheet, and top line we have the View menu. To the right, Macros, Record Macro, and we need to give it a shortcut, and this is slightly different than the Microsoft Word macro recording tool. We have to pick a Control shortcut. Again, we don't want to use Control C, for instance, because that's used. Control M should be OK. We'll click OK. We're now in record mode, so anything we do will be recorded in the macro. And for the purpose of this macro, for the demonstration, I'm going to set a shortcut, Control M, to automatically resize the columns. So I've selected the whole spreadsheet, go between the column headings, and I double click. Go into a macro, stop recording. To demonstrate how this is of use, I zoom in and I make the columns smaller and put some text in the first column. Which is clearly too big for the first column. Now we've got a choice of doing the slow way of resizing, so we click on select the whole spreadsheet, double click, and it's done the job. But if I undo that, and I'm going to use my macro, Control M, and it's done the job for me.